Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to MC2 Lifestyle channel. This is Keon here. I'm your lifestyle host and today we are at Negeri Sembilan, Seremban. And what are we going to do in this episode? When we come to Seremban, how can we not mention the famous Seremban Siew Pow? But today, I'm not going to bring you to the conventional or the commercial kind of Siew Pow, but I'm going to bring you to the origins of the Siew Pow, where this shop is where the Siew Pow started in Seremban, and from there it get popular all across Seremban and eventually all across Malaysia. But before we move on, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button so that you won't miss our cool lifestyle content that's going to come up every single week. So have you done that? I'm going to give you 3 seconds to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Alright, I assume you have done it. Let's go and check out Seremban Siew Pow. Come on. Speaking about Seremban, everybody knows that Seremban is well known for their Siew Pow. But most of the time, the tourists will go to Siew Pow Seng or the Siew Pow City, I think they call it. But the locals, they don't go there. They recommend to come to this place. Normally, the locals will go to this place because this place is the origins of the Siew Pow in Seremban. Let's check this out. 我要雞角兩個，係咪一個？雞角一個蛋撻。仲有咩啊？燒包我唔食豬肉喎。
你唔食雞肉？
我唔食豬肉。
暫時冇食。
我暫時冇整。OK。Alright, so we have purchased the 雞蛋仔. This is the kaya puff, and we got a egg tart right here. So I'm gonna try one by one. This is also one of their signature. I'm gonna bring my mic nearer to the food, so possibly you can hear the sound if you could. Kaya is not too sweet, so I think it's something really good in terms of their baking. So I ended up coming here in the end, the Seremban Siew Pow Seng, because just now the Asia Siew Pow, there is no chicken Siew Pow. So coming here to check out to get my chicken Siew Pow. Yes, I found my original chicken Siew Pow. It's here, finally. Here they sell chicken Siew Pow. So I'm gonna get this. Saya nak original Siew Pow chicken. Bagi saya 5. Yeah, 5. Yes, finally managed to get my chicken Siew Pow. Right guys, so that is all for our trip to Seremban this round and the episode of Siew Pow for you guys. And for you guys who are going for a local and origins of the Siew Pow, the Asia Siew Pow shop is where the origins of Siew Pow actually founded, and you guys can get it from there. But if for you guys who want to also get a taste of local souvenir shop and also more varieties, I would say, right here in the Siew Pow City, it's also one of the prominent place in Seremban. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video and follow us. I'll see you on the next upcoming video. Bye.
Heya, where is my Siew Pow?